Oh, and ice cream. Lots of ice cream. It's quite late, it's 5 p.m. and it's still really, really busy. Hello and welcome to Wandering Adventures and welcome to Rome, Italy. So the bus drops you off here at the metro terminal and then you just need to get another metro down to Rome. We actually got on a bus that was a little bit longer. Google Maps works. Got a contactless card, when you get onto the buses you just tap and go, and then within 100 minutes that's classed as one charge, but you have to tap every time you change transportation. So we've just come to the metro station, tapped again, but that should be classed as one charge and we should be in Rome within 100 minutes.
In theory.
In theory. It's fine.
It's fine.
It's fine.
It's fine. Off the metro at Termini. This one? Because we knew this is where the open top buses started. That's the first thing we're going to do. You don't need a hat. Let's go.
I actually do need a hat.
No, you don't.
I do. So we're going to get the hop on hop off bus. There's a couple of different ones that you can get. If you get the red ones, it's €33 per adult. And I'm being minded. And it's 24 hours, whereas we're only here for the day. So we're going to get the green one. This one is exactly the same stops. You get 15 stops and it was €24 per adult, and you can get on and off whenever you want. It takes about an hour and a half to do the full loop, which I think is what we're doing, unless we get too hot. Depends.
No hats for you.
No hats for me. Hello. We've come to the park for a bit of a break, bit some shade. I'm stood right in the sun right now, but it's really shady over there. It looks really good actually, and it looks really nice for kids. There's a lot to do. There's bikes that you can hire and horses that you can ride on. Lakes you can probably not swim in, but I'm gonna go see if we can get a boat. Be good. Oh, and ice cream. Lots of ice cream.
There is a tiny one.
Yeah.
I can use.
That's the gallery. That's what's free. The gallery. So most of the museums in Rome are actually free on the first Sunday of every month. There is a list online, so you can check it out. Expect there to be lines though, obviously. But if you can get there early, just check the times because the times change season to season as well. The queue for the boats was really, really long, so we gave it a miss, and now we're just walking through the town, having a wander, looking at the buildings, heading towards Trevi Fountain. Hopefully get some food though on the way. Hot chocolate exploded. Oh, it's like pure liquid chocolate. Thank you, demonstration.
You're welcome. Hand model available anytime.
Made it to the Pantheon. It is so busy. It's quite late, it's 5 PM and it's still really, really busy.
Turn down.
So there are two queues when you get here. One queue if you're paying in cash and one queue if you're paying in card. There is actually an option to buy a ticket online with a QR code as well. We might try and do that. I'm very excited to see inside. Yours look quite bad. If you come into Rome, especially in the summer, bring insect repellent. Oh, why we didn't even think about it. Back out into the sunshine.
So it's actually not known, but it started the structure up to there before making this. We're anticipating this pudding. Started it that tall, and then they arrived, and either they were smaller than they thought, or it got damaged on the journey, and then.
So it should have been like another
few meters high.
20 feet high.
Yeah.
Oh, I never knew that.
busy area, but it's pretty nice. Busy. Keep walking. Keep shuffling. Keep shuffling. Need to make my wishes. Instagram versus reality. Thank you.
You made promises, don't tell anyone. I am genuinely surprised that you've got there. I really am.
Steps of Spanish variety. Hi.
You tired yet?
No, but they're on a bit of a weird angle. They're a bit slow. We've made it this far. Gotta go back down a mile.
That's easy, mate. You've got promises on this side.
We've just finished our first full day in Rome. Well, we've got to get home yet, but that doesn't count. So we'll see you in the morning for day 2. That's going to cause chaos for anyone watching. I thought you were going to do it.